Hi, my name is Marco Lagustona and I'm Product Manager of the Ultrasound Division of ESA-OTE. I want to present you here MyLab Touch, that is the ESA-OTE solution for port-of-care ultrasound introduced here at ECR 2011. This product is highly innovative, integrating features and technological solutions as they migrated from more sophisticated ultrasound systems into a compact design with an intuitive user interface, fully touchscreen based. This system integrates Wi-Fi technology for making available exams performed with the system directly into remote review stations. It can be used in combination with a roll stand or a desk stand, or it can be used directly as a portable arm-held device, always offering ergonomical solutions like the automatic orientation of the display or knobs integrated in the handle of the system itself or the transducer of the system. For more information, please contact our ESA-OTE website or contact your local ESA-OTE representative.